Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to mirror in Blockbench. Mirroring helps you create symmetrical models faster. There are two ways to mirror in Blockbench. The first method is flipping. Select the cube, mesh, or group you want to mirror. Make sure it's centered correctly on the axis you want to mirror across. Go to Transform in the menu bar. Hover over Flip, then select Flip X. Blockbench will create a mirrored version of the object. The second method is mirror modeling. Before creating a model, enable mirror modeling from the toolbar. Once you create a cube or mesh, Blockbench will automatically mirror it. Any changes you make to the original object will also be reflected on the mirrored side. And that's how to mirror in Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.